It was Halloween evening on the island of Solster, and at Ed Street the engines were at Oliver's house, and the four boys were getting ready for the Halloween party at the Justice League Tower. Thomas was going as the mummy from the movie The Mummy. The big engines were going as the Avengers. Gordon was going as Captain Sodor, James was going as Iron Train, and Henry was going as the Henry Hulk. The boys were also dressing up for the Halloween party. Oliver was going as Gandalf the Grey, Ewan was going as Man of Steel Superman, Jack Hayden was going as Rhodey from Iron Man 2, and Brendan was planning on going as a zombie, and Percy was planning on going as the Master from Muppet Monster Adventure for the PS1, but has yet to get into their costumes. Suddenly, the Fat Controller appeared.
Henry has gone Xeon in his old age and lost the 8 tracks that were supposed to be bringing for the party. They're scattered around Henry's forest, so I'm in the engine to go and find them, Claire, don't bring them to the party. Any ideas?
Oh, me, I'll go. I love the forest.
Henry, please, I only have one delay tonight. I'm in an engine I know that isn't going to screw everything up.
Ha! Applejack eyes.
Ewan, shut up. Anyone else?
None of the other engines or the boys wanted to go. They wanted to finish getting ready and go straight to the party.
Moore and Percy, how about you two?
Us? Alone in the forest? On Halloween night?
Yeah, it's your fifth and health and you some working up. But we're not even in costume yet. Oh, that's fine. You could be a person on a straight caterpillar with red stripes that would become from a strange Frankenstein monster. Right, now that's that. Now, if you excuse me, I had to get in my Slender Man costume for the party.
I'm so gonna kill him after what he said.
What's a Slender Man? Big Mr. Percival, but with no face. Oh, and he kills people whoever enters his forest. That sounds scary! Oh, he is, Percy. But it's not the Slender Man you and Brendan want me to be worried about. It's the Slender engine that will get you. There's no such thing.
Oh, some might say. In fact, Luna once told me that he lives right here on the island, hiding across the trees, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Some say he's the reason why so many engines on Sodor seem to go missing and never seem to pop up again, like Duck and Stephanie, and all the one-off characters he finds along the tracks. So don't take too long in the forest, Brendan and Percy, or he'll get you too.
I'm so going to kill Edward for this!
And so Percy puffed away with Brendan.
Brendan will never survive the forest even if he tried to. Because I now realise if he doesn't get to the party in time with no trucks and no food, then he'll probably get murdered to death like Chucky did to those people in Charles' Play.
I actually like that movie.
You're fired! Go.
Don't take Luna. She's my sister now.
And don't take your things, they're mine now. Alright, get this thing over with. first truck. This ain't so bad. This voice ain't so bad at night time. Perhaps I'll continue. Then I won't have to go back home. The second truck! This is so easy than I thought.
That's 2 out of 8.
Silly Ewan. Fake he could scare me with a Slender engine joke. Maybe Gordon is right. There is no such thing. He would probably pop out and just kill me to death like in those Slender Man movies. I mean games. The third truck! Yes! Alright. Let's couple that to that. And there's nature. There's 6 more to go. This is so good as I thought. Damn it! We can't go forward. I'll have to go right.
Ah! The Slender engine! He's real!
Oh God! I was wrong. He is real. Oh my God! Run away! Get away!
Ah! Help!
What do we have here? Hey, I thought I was supposed to be fine. Yes, Edward is such an idiot. He says, yeah, tell me about it. Everything. Hey, what's going on? Yeah, why is this screen coming at us? I said, I don't know. Who's sucking up on edge? I don't know. We're not arguing. I mean, I'm right.
Since all this happened 30 years ago to